How to make a new composition in After Effects. When you are working with a lot of layers, you might want to put some of them in a new composition. There are a few ways to do this. The first way is to select the layers, right-click and choose Pre-Compose. You get a pop-up screen. Here you can name your composition, and here you can see that it will move all attributes into the new composition. Click OK. It will place the composition on your timeline with the same settings and length as your existing composition. Another way is you want to make the composition first. Go to Composition on the top of your screen and click New Composition. The advantage is that you can adjust all the settings as you wish. So the size of the composition, but also the length, the background color. Click OK. The new composition will open on the timeline. Now you can work in this composition. When you are done, you can drag the new composition you made into your main composition.